In this video, I'm going to help you connect your Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus to your smart device, so let's get started. The Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, and if you're having trouble pairing it to your Bluetooth like I did, you can try either of these steps to see if it helps. First, make sure your smart device is close to your Nespresso Pop machine when you install the Nespresso app. Also, make sure that the coffee machine is turned on. Click on Start Pairing and it'll ask you which machine you'd like to pair. Select the coffee maker, then press Start Pairing. If all goes well, the app will find your machine and it will begin pairing. If, like me, you get a message saying Bluetooth is not on, follow the screen prompts and this will take you to your Bluetooth settings. Mine, however, is on, but it was refusing to pair with it. So here's a couple of things I did. First, I refreshed my Bluetooth by turning it on and off for about 30 seconds, but it was still giving me the message that my Bluetooth was off. The second thing I did was to restart my phone, but I was still getting the same error. Finally, I deleted and reinstalled the Nespresso app, making sure the Nespresso machine was turned on too, and then it finally paired with my Bluetooth and I was able to follow the on-screen instructions and connect it to my Wi-Fi. The reason it didn't work was I had the Nespresso app already installed on my phone and registered with my VertuoPlus coffee maker. So unfortunately, you can't register two Nespresso coffee machines in the app. The two ways around this is either you delete the existing machine, and this won't be a problem if you are planning to get rid of that machine anyway. But if you're not and you need to have two or more machines registered, I would suggest you create another Nespresso account with another email address for the second machine. It is a bit of a pain, but the benefit to doing this is you do get a welcome gift as a first registered user. But like I said, the only downside is you do have to manage two separate accounts, and then you have to decide which one to use for ordering your coffee and to continue building your club points. Anyway, I'll leave links to my video showing the features of the app for the Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus in my description box, so do feel free to watch that. And I hope you guys found this video useful. Please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I do hope to catch you in my next video.